After months of working like this, people are now doing this. Pain in the back is a pain in the neck. So how do we fix it? By improving both strength and flexibility. Start with dynamic stretches, stretches with motion. Static stretching before a weightlifting workout actually increases your risk of injury and decreases your strength. Neck rolls are great for improving circulation and hydrating discs in your neck. Foam rolling is a great way to warm up the muscles and help alleviate some of that back pain. Roll the upper part of your back, your quads, and your hamstrings to help with that back pain. Now on to the weightlifting. Let's start with a cable machine pull with a wide bar to target your lat muscles. Squat down, weight in the heels of your feet, poke your elbows out as you pull the bar into your chest. You might be inclined to think weightlifting will exacerbate the back pain, but not so fast. I can't tell you how many clients of mine see relief with weight training. This is because the pain often stems from weak muscles. Plus, the strength training will improve blood flow and circulation into these areas. Of course, you want to make sure you're doing the right kinds of exercises and check with your doctor to make sure this applies to your unique situation. Now onto a chest press. You're thinking, wait, Lindsey, a chest press to help with back pain? That's right. We have to make sure opposing muscle groups are balanced, otherwise it creates pain. Chest opposes back, hamstrings oppose quads. Speaking of which, sitting all day shortens and weakens the hamstring muscles. So let's do a bent over kickback to strengthen those hammies and glutes and lower back. Hinge at your hips about 90 degrees. Kick one leg at a time straight back, squeezing the hamstring and glute as you do so. If you don't have a strong foundation, it's a negative ripple effect upward, which eventually translates into back pain. Finish with your static stretches. Lay on your back, swing one leg over your body, making an L shape with your legs. And voila, you are one step closer to living pain-free.